Hey, what is up guys? We are back starting another vlog. So I just got home from teaching. I made a few quick pit stops. Had to go to the grocery store, and I also went to the pet store to get Mas a couple of things. So I thought I would just do like a little quick unboxing, I guess, if you will, because they put all of my stuff in a box so it's easier to carry. Okay, so typically when I go to the pet store, I spend pretty much $100 each time. I'm not really sure how that happens, but it does. Today was a little bit more expensive because I had to get Mas some extra things. So yeah, I'll just show you what I got. A few of my favorite also products that I like to buy for Mas. So we'll start with the boring things first. I give Masa a breakfast and a dinner every day, and so it is half raw food, which this is the brand I get her. It's a Big Dog raw food, and I usually get her the combo one, but they didn't have any this time, so I ended up just buying her the beef one. So I do half of a packet of these per food time. So essentially I'm feeding her one of these, I think it's 250 gram packets of raw dog food a day, and then I feed her about 215 grams of kibble a day. So I just mix it all together, and I like the brand Taste of the Wild. So this time I got her the one with ancient grains. It's called Ancient Prairie. Canine recipe with roasted bison and roasted venison. I usually mix up the flavors for her kibble. So last time I got her salmon, and this time I got her this one. So yeah, so that's what I feed Puppy. Another one of my favorite things to give her are these Black Dog Cannabis cookies. They're made with hemp seed oil and hemp seed protein, so they're supposed to be kind of to relax your puppy out. Obviously there's no THC in them, but hemp seed, hemp oil is good for them. So she has all these little things in her eyes. Yeah, so that is basically pretty much the standard every time I go. Whenever she runs out of Bickies, those are my favorite ones. Whenever she runs out of food, that is my favorite one. Okay, and then I like to give Mas these raw chew toys because she is a chewer. She loves to chew on everything, and I'm telling you, literally everything. So I'll usually buy her a couple of these chewy things. She still has her goat horn that she's working on, and I think a couple of these little like bone disc things that I got her. She still has like small chunks of them around, but this time I got her a roux tail. I think I got her this last time, but I don't actually remember. Anyway, yeah, it's just she wants it. It's just a roux tail, also by the brand Black Dog. And for her training treats, for her training treats, there's really only two brands that I use. So the first one is Providaire, but they only sell Providaire, something like that. But they only sell that at the Pet Barn. They only sell that at Pet Barns, and I went to My Pet Warehouse today. So I got her these Ziwi Peak little treat thingies. Yeah, so that's the second brand I like to use. It's either Providore, or the Ziwi brand. So these are just made with chicken, whole Kuei, I don't know if I'm saying that right, it's a type of fish, duck, turkey, and fresh eggs. So they're gently air dried, ethical and sustainable, free range and wild caught. So, it also contains poultry heart, New Zealand green mussels, and kelp. Yeah, so these are tinier ones, and even they're already tiny, but I like to break them up into tinier pieces when I'm training her because we we go through a lot of training things. She's just chilling in her bed. We go through a lot of training, so I have to make them smaller so she's not eating the whole bag in one sitting. And then I also got her a new treat toy. It is the Planet Dog Orbi Top Snoop Interactive Treat Toy. So basically it's just this plastic, super squishy type of toy, and you bring the neck out, so then it looks like this. I don't know if you can see it. So you bring the neck out, it looks like this. You stuff the treats in there, and then you stuff the neck back in, so it closes in, and I guess the treats just get stuck on the outside and she has to snoop around in there. They also have like other things that you can, sorry, I wasn't looking at the camera, I was looking at myself in the thing. So they also have like these other little things I think that you can put inside on top of the snacks to make it a little bit harder to get into. Yeah, I don't know, Mas just has Kongs, which also I've lost like 2 of her Kongs already, 3. So actually I'm pretty sure one of her Kongs we left at my friend's house. One is in the car for just in case, and the other 2 small ones should be around this house somewhere, but I have no idea where they are. But I think those are getting a little bit too easy for her. Like, she already knows how to work them, and she also has another ball that you can stuff in, but that's also easy for her too because the treats come out so easily. So we'll see if this one keeps her a little bit more occupied. Next 2 things were just extras, and one is a dog collar because I had to make a hole in her old one because it didn't fit her neck anymore. She got too big. Where are you going? She just stole her toy, her little treat thing. Mas, there's no snacks in there. Okay, so I got her okay, so I got her this all-weather dog collar by Animals in Charge. So it says love your earth, love your animal. They're made from recycled plastic bottles, and $1 from every sale goes to animal rescue. Mas is an adventure dog. We like to go out on hikes. She will go out in the rain. She doesn't care. She likes to splash around in the puddles and get all dirty. So I thought getting this for all weather would be just like easier to clean and easier to manage. So I got her it in pink, and then of course, because I am me, I had to get her the matching lead. So this is what it looks like. It's just you probably can't tell, but looks like a rope. Also pink, and yeah, that is it. That is all we got for her. And so all of these things combined were a grand total of $234.02. Guys, dogs are freaking expensive. But this one is worth it. So I'm gonna see how this little snack toy treat thing works. We'll see if she's able to get the treats out, and then I might do some lead training with her just inside the house because Mas sucks on lead. She's really bad. Also, I know my carpet is a mess. It's all full of hair and I need to vacuum it. I will do it, I swear, but I'm not gonna do it right now. So I'm just gonna try to put on Mazi's new collar. So I actually have another one of these tag things that's a little bit bigger, and it's a heart shaped with her name on it. So I might actually change that out as well. This is her first one that we got for her, and then this is the one that I got after. So it's a lot bigger. Okay, actually no, I guess it's not that much bigger, but anyway, I got it. This is so stupid. I got this one right after I got this one because I lost this little thing. And I was like, okay, well, I need another one of these key rings. So I just bought her a whole other extra one. Anyway, that was probably unnecessary as well. But do you know what? I'm using it, so that is all that matters. And now her name tag matches her lead, or her collar, sorry. Where's your collar? Let's grab your collar. It's just your collar. Am I putting it on right? Maybe we should break it in a little bit. Or not break it in, but like bend it a little bit. It's your new collar. Now let's try. Oh, am I choking? Is that okay? I guess if I can put my fingers, the 6 fingers in there, it should be good. Look how cute you look. You're so cute. Yay. There she goes biting it. Okay, we'll take your lead off of you and then we'll fill up your treat box thing, your treat toy.